You are watching this video because you are tired of feeling stuck. You sit down to study with the full intention to focus, to improve, to learn something new, to build your future. You open your books, you have your pen in hand. You tell yourself this time will be different. But after a few minutes, your mind starts drifting. Words don't stay. Lines feel meaningless. You read the same paragraph again and again, but nothing goes in. You feel frustrated, and slowly hopelessness creeps in. You ask yourself why this keeps happening. You see others studying for hours, and you wonder why you can't do the same. You start blaming yourself. Maybe you are lazy, maybe you are weak, maybe you don't have discipline. But let me tell you clearly, if you are trying to study and still struggling to focus, it does not mean you are failing. It does not mean you don't care. In fact, it means you care more than you think. People who don't care do not feel this pain. They do not sit with frustration. They do not fight themselves every day. You do, and that is the first proof that you are capable of change. The real problem is not your intention. The problem is your brain. Your brain is overstimulated. From the moment you wake up, it is flooded with information, notifications, reels, short videos, messages, social media, random thoughts, and worries. Your brain is never at rest. By the time you sit to study, it is exhausted, not because of effort, but because of constant distraction. Studying requires calm focus. It requires patience. It requires the ability to stay with one thought for some time. But your mind has been trained to jump, to seek instant reward, to avoid discomfort. Studying feels slow, boring, and uncomfortable. That is why your focus resists. Not because you are lazy, but because your brain is conditioned to seek comfort, fast entertainment, and instant gratification. You try to push yourself. You tell yourself to stay focused. You promise no phone, no distractions. But your attention slips. You check your phone. Just one message. Just one video. But one leads to more. When you come back to the book, your mind is broken. Words don't make sense. Ideas vanish. You underline sentences, but the meaning doesn't stick. This happens again and again, and every time, your confidence takes a hit. You start thinking you are not smart enough. You compare yourself to others and feel ashamed. But you forget one important fact. Focus is not an innate talent. It is a skill. A skill that can be damaged and a skill that can be rebuilt. Your focus is not gone. It is injured. And like any injury, it needs care, patience, and consistent effort. The first step to fixing it is to stop blaming yourself. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You are simply battling a habit you didn't even notice you had. Your brain is trained for distraction, not silence. And change will not happen overnight. Start small. 10 minutes of honest focus is better than an hour of distracted reading. 15 minutes of concentrated effort can slowly retrain your brain. Sit with the book, even if your mind wanders. Bring it back gently. Repeat this process daily. This is how real focus is rebuilt. Not with force, not with pressure, but with patience and consistency. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes after action, not before. You will never feel fully ready. You will never feel perfect focus at the start. But every time you show up, even with a distracted mind, you teach your brain that focus is safe, that effort is okay, that silence is not dangerous. Every small study session adds up. Slowly, the habit strengthens. Slowly, your mind learns to stay on one thing for longer. Slowly, reading becomes easier. Slowly, understanding deepens. Slowly, you gain control over your own attention, and with attention comes power. Power to learn. Power to grow. Power to change your life. If you are struggling to study and feel like nothing goes in, remember, you are not alone. Millions of students face the same problem. You are capable of rebuilding your focus. It starts with recognizing the problem, forgiving yourself for past distractions, and taking small, deliberate steps to reclaim your attention. Each time you resist distraction, each time you return to the book, your focus grows stronger. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it correctly, the stronger it becomes. And soon, studying will feel less painful. Understanding will feel easier. Confidence will return. You will start to see progress, and that progress will motivate you more than any outside force ever could. So start now. Close unnecessary tabs. Keep your phone aside. Take small steps. 10 minutes, then 20, then 30. Celebrate small wins. Understand that your brain is healing and focus is returning. You are not failing. You are in the process of change. And change is not instant. It is deliberate, patient, and persistent. You are capable of this. You are stronger than you think. Your future self will thank you for every small effort you make today. If this video resonated with you, comment "I'm trying" below so I know you are taking the first step. Like this video if it helped you realize that you are not lazy and you are not alone. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this that help you improve your focus, study habits, and mindset. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your journey to better focus, better learning, and better life starts now. Take control, show up every day, and slowly but surely, your mind will start listening. This video is your reminder that change is possible, that focus can be rebuilt, and that your effort today will shape your tomorrow. You are not failing. You are growing. You are learning. You are trying. Keep going.